Hello Android developers, and welcome to today's tutorial. We are going to look how to create a splash screen for an Android app using Kotlin programming language. So without wasting time, let's dive into a project. So you create a new project. Select empty activity and let's name it splash app. Now, so first we are going to create the splash activity. So we're gonna go to the rest folder, left click, go to new activity, empty activity. We're gonna name this splash activity. And click finish activity. So I'm going to use the design panel in the XML. I won't touch the code. So first, so it depends. So I'm going to enter refactor. So then let's design this text. So our app is called splash app. Then I'm going to set the font color to that. Then the text size to 24 sp. Then I want it to be bold. Then I will apply some font also. So I'm going to add a new font, more fonts, Acronica, add font to project, click OK. That's it. Then let me set the background of this activity. There it is. Then I'm going to add a text for the version of our app. So we're adding the constraints. So let's assume this is version 1.5. Then we are having some errors. This is a hard-coded text. You need to create a string for every text. So I'm going to just click OK, and it will automatically create a string to our string. To our string resource file. So here they have been created, version 1.5. So the next thing that we're supposed to do is to get rid of this action bar and the status bar so that activity can be in full screen. So we are going to change the theme, and we're going to add a new theme here. So another style, and we're going to name it theme dot splash dot no action bar, because that's what our theme is all about. Theme here, going to add this item window action bar and reset it to false. Then there is this another item window title, which will set it to true. So here this theme should be the same name as this one here. So fix that problem. Now go to the splash activity. So then I'm going to copy this code here. Don't worry, I'm going to explain it to you. And it should be lowercase. So here, if the application is this build version, which it was 21R, then the application will execute this code. But if it's in an overload version, then the application, the Splash app, will execute this code there. Then this code here, which you are using the handler, it tells the app that after displaying the splash activity for 30 seconds, then the next thing to do is to start the main activity. So the next thing that you need to do is go to the manifest file and set the splash activity as the launch activity. So here we're going to change this to main activity. I've changed that to main activity, and then we're going to switch it with splash activity. So now we need to set up our theme. And the theme will be splash up with no action bar. There it is. So after that, then let's run our app. There it is. One, two, three.